Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your Eyecon app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just get on, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on your name here, so you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to phone name. So then here can you change your name here, so can you change it here. So that's all you have to do to change your name. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.